Hey everyone, this is Max Rye. Welcome to our AI news channel. I love talking about the latest trends and innovations in AI. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon at the bottom for more exciting news. Today, we're going to dive right into the game changing move that Amazon just made. I think they're going to redefine the future of AI. They've been quiet for a long time. We've heard a lot of other big players, Microsoft, Google, but Amazon is one of the biggest companies in America, and you'd wonder why they haven't made any big plays and why you haven't heard about them very much. Even Apple recently launched their large language model, but they made a huge statement today. There's some articles out there already about Amazon investing $2.7 billion in Anthropic. This is a huge chunk. We know they've made small little sprinkles of investments in the past, but this is a real big one, and it will really help propel Anthropic and their Claude 3 large language model to a whole new level. For Amazon, this AI itself might be new when it comes to the large language models, but when it comes to robotics, they are not new. A few episodes ago, I actually just discussed Amazon showcasing about 750,000 robots in their factories, in their warehouses that are already being piloted at the moment. So they do have some experience, and do have a lot of ambition in the space. So I think it's really interesting what they did today, and I think this is going to really help them internally in many ways as they look at potentially upgrading their robots with Anthropic software, probably in the future. But for today, I think it's quite exciting what's happening. And we know that this investment is not just about money. It's really about having the backing of one of the biggest players in America when it comes to hardware. As I mentioned, 750,000 robots is one thing, but they also have a lot of other consumer goods. They have Amazon Echo, for example, as well. So there's a lot of different, I would say, vessels for Anthropic to be able to uh, use different methods, different ways of getting their software out there. Now, this comes as there are new articles and posts on X that are now claiming Claude 3 has surpassed ChatGPT in the most sophisticated or advanced large language model. This is really, really a huge thing as well that's going on. But we'll talk about that on another episode. But this is great news for Anthropic. Their Claude 3 system will have a lot more, I would say, avenues to be exposed to the markets from software to hardware. As always, I love talking about how this is going to impact jobs and the markets. I believe this is exciting news, great for the AI front. However, there will be some concerns regarding jobs, right? At the end of the day, this is the main goal, is to become more and more efficient for some of these big corporates, these big giants like Amazon. So what you're going to see is more factory jobs, more warehouse jobs um, being replaced by robots, and this is already starting to happen, and we will see the acceleration of that. But once Anthropic gets much more funding, you can also imagine many more white collar jobs also being affected, as many more folks will be able to adopt that software for new types of jobs. Being in the startup space myself for many, many years, one thing that I have recognized is many of these big giants are not the best at innovation. I mean, if you look at Amazon, they like to pride themselves as always being in startup mode, but let's face it, they're a multi-billion-dollar company today, and they want to be as innovative as possible, but they do have certain limitations. So in that regard, it's actually pretty known practice for many of these big companies to invest into cutting edge, really, really cool companies, and this is what they're doing, and they want to be able to innovate through this investment. I would say that people should stay very positive about this because we can definitely see a lot of new types of jobs being created and just becoming much more efficient. I think a lot of folks may find some value in doing some old school heavy lifting type of work. However, if we can get robots do much of this labor, this manual labor, and maybe even some medial tasks that we don't want to do on a daily basis. This may allow us humans to really be able to think outside the box and start looking at other types of way to create value, other ways to find meaning in life as well. I think this is just the beginning. I think Amazon's investment in Anthropic is going to be a testament to how exciting this whole area of AI is. And there's been a lot of concern from Wall Street that whether or not this is a bubble or not. I think this is a big chunk of money and backing from one of the biggest players. I think more and more it's looking like it's not a bubble and it's something that's here to stay. So let's try to embrace this new era of AI and be a little bit more optimistic and see how we all can participate in this whole new arena. Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is Max Rye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI and its impact on our world. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. I'll see you guys in the next episode.